One of the most common questions that we get asked with regard to hail damage is it something that's covered by insurance? And the answer is thankfully yes. Most customers don't realize this, but if you file a hail damage claim, it actually goes against your comprehensive coverage, which doesn't affect your premium, and it doesn't actually raise your rates or go against your driving record. This is something that's considered an act of God, or it's something that's completely out of your control. So if you do file an insurance claim for hail, you can let your insurance company know, and then you'll be assigned a claim number, and you can bring it to one of our locations where we'll do a full assessment of the damage, we'll get you in a rental car, and we'll take care of the claim process from there. We'll handle all the billing. All that the customers are responsible for is whatever their comprehensive deductible is. If you have any questions about the hail process, feel free to give us a call or swing by one of our shops. We're happy to help.